Hey guys, today in this video let us learn how to basically accept an invite link from Temu. So when in the case that you have received an invite link from the Temu application or from the Temu website, how do you accept that invitation on your PC or on any device that you wish to use? So let's proceed on to seeing our video, and today you're going to learn just how to do that. Alright, so once you're already on your preferred device, in this case I am using the PC, of course you could use any preferred device, whether that may be your Android, your iPhone device, or even your PCs. So of course what you need for this to be accomplished, obviously, is the invite link on Temu. So I have already clicked on an invite link that was sent to me, but of course the main reason why you are watching this video is maybe because somebody has sent you an invite link from Temu. So maybe that person is asking you to click on their invite link so that you may receive, or they may receive, a free gift. So all we need to do in order for us to accept that invitation is to simply tap on the link, and we should be redirected onto the Temu website. Of course, just by doing that simple click, the Temu application will, or rather the Temu website, will automatically launch. All we need to do next, once we're already on here, is to basically sign in or register an account, and then that is how you guys could accept the invite link on Temu. And then of course the person that has sent you that invite link will benefit from that. And that's how you guys could accept an invite from Temu. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.